Crocodile Mo lived by the shore. Chick and Chickie came to explore. They met one day near a big tree den and played a game to count to 10. One said Chickie, peck in the ground.
Two said Mo with a splashing sound.
Three, they chirped as they danced in a line.
Four came next, we're doing fine.
Five, they shouted, jumping high.
Six said Mo, let's touch the sky.
Seven, they sang as they skipped on logs.
Eight came Chickie,
chasing frogs.